If you want to live from this to this, watch this video. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to create your echo effect slash delay effect right in FX Studio Mobile. So first thing is first, so always make sure to check and verify that your BPM is correct. If you don't know how to verify that, just check on my channel. You're going to see a video on that. Next thing is, there are three ways or there are three effects that can help you achieve the echo effect in FX Studio Mobile. And before we move any further, this track here in which you're going to be using, which are the ad-libs of, these are the ad-libs here, I have connected it to effect 13, right? And this is effect 13 right here. If you don't know why I connected it this way, you should check the channel. There's also a video on that. So now moving on, there are three ways, as I lastly mentioned, of different effects for you to use to achieve your delay effect or your echo effect in FX Studio Mobile. We have the FX step delay, the FX chance delay, and the multi effect. And if you don't know how to put on these effects, all you need to do is select the track on which you're working with, go to add module, and sweep down. Right under echo, you see the tape delay, the trance delay, and then to get the multi effects. This is the multi effects right here. Under MISC, you get the multi effects, right? So now I'm not going to talk much on all these other ones. I'm just going to talk about the one that I like using, right, to achieve the echo effect. But if you want me to talk about the other guys or the other effects and how to use them, you can drop a comment in the comment section, right? So let's turn this on and hear how it sounds at the moment. Alright, it's not as bad, but we have to tweak a few things. Before that, let me explain to you some few settings. This is like the timestamp, right? This controls the amount of time it's going to take for you to get your, or for you to hear your delays after the main vocal has been set, or after the main vocal has passed. Then the next thing is feedback. Your feedback is the amount of delays you're going to hear after the main vocal, right? And then the filter controls how deep or light those feedbacks are going to sound, right? So let's test them out and see the difference in everything I just said. So first thing is first, let's put down this a little bit, and then let's start with the feedback. Let's put it all the way to this side. Alright, you don't hear any feedbacks. Let's just take it all the way up. Alright, so you start getting them. Alright, so when it's all the way up, you can get crazy, right? Then let's play around with the filter right now. Alright, so you can hear how deep the feedbacks are. So now let's take the filter a little bit up and hear how the feedbacks are going to sound. Alright, so you can see the sound a little bit more light, and like they're really light. Alright, so you put it back down. So alright, so depending on your BPM and depending on how long you want your delays to take before actually sounding, you come here and you choose. Let me just show you. The more we go down, the faster it becomes. Right, that's so fast that you can't even hear the difference. But if we go down to this one, let's check it out. Right, you hear how fast it is. But now let's stick with this because it's kind of sounding better for me. Alright, so that's it, man. If you found what you're looking for, show some appreciation, and if you didn't find what you're looking for, so if you want to see an exclusive video that's showing you how to use this completely, any of these, you can either be the FX chance delay, the multi effects, or the FX step delay. Just leave it down in the comment section, man. And if enough people say it, I'm going to do a video on it. And then yeah, man, let's go and let's get it.